Welcome to class, everybody. I am That Vegan Teacher. I'm Miss KADIE, and we are here at a group on Facebook called What Broke Vegans Eat. You guys ready to check it out with me? This is a really interesting group. You have to post vegan food, or your post will not go up. It's just the rule that they have. It's super cool, I think. So, but after you've posted your vegan food, you can talk about whatever you want. It can be any political matter. Now, I know for a fact that the person who runs the group is an anti-circumcision advocate. So she often talks about how she thinks circumcision for baby boys and girls, for that matter, is barbaric. It is genital mutilation, and she speaks out about that. And she's also open to have people talk about whatever else. But the rule is, you gotta post vegan food. So this is what sometimes people do. So this person here, let's see. Sometimes people talk about political things and sometimes they don't. So what do we have here? It looks like a deep fryer and some sort of vegan tamales. So this is just a picture of somebody posting food. Now remember, the group is called What Broke Vegans Eat. I mean, some of these people really do not have very much money at all. It's not a group to talk about making your food look beautiful. It's not like a fancy, vegan site like there are many others. This is really what people who are struggling with money to make ends meet, but they want to be ethical vegans, and this is the kind of things that they post. So I urge you to not make fun of them, because you don't know what it's like to have not that much money. And these are people that are just really trying to find good deals and trying to be a bit creative. So I hate cooking, so I'm always in the freezer section. This is at Walmart, and I'm not mad at how it tastes. Okay, that's a weird way of putting it. Needs more spice for me, but looks like that's a 9 out of 10. Would buy it again. Bonus, it cooks great in the air fryer. What doesn't? Okay, interesting. So yeah, I don't have an air fryer yet. I don't know if you guys do. People are always telling me to get one, but okay, probably to some of you guys, this might not look good, but to me, I would eat that. It looks good to me. Anything with like a lot of tomato sauce. Looks a bit dry, I guess, but if you put a lot of tomato sauce or, salsa on there, I'm sure it's good. Probably not the healthiest thing. Not a lot of green in there, but well, I would eat it anyway. Something about keto. Now, there can be vegan diets that are keto, but we're not going to look into that right now. So what's this? Okay, settle this war. Settle the war. Is this soup or stew? What do you guys think? Would you call that a soup or a stew? I don't know. It looks kind of like a soup to me, but personally, I like my soups a lot, really watery, a lot of more liquid in there. But I would eat that. Now, this looks like it has kale in it. It looks like it might have some sort of pumpkin, or I'm not sure what the orange things are in there. Looks like some potatoes. Remember that if you want to make a vegan soup, it's super easy. You don't need to use oil. That's something that I stopped using already a while back because people said, it's not so good for you. So I started frying the onions and the celery. I start with that, a lot of onion and a lot of celery in a frying pan. Just fry them up in water, just like to saute them first. And over on the side, what you do is you get a big pot of water that you start to boil. So it's already getting warm. And while you're frying your veggies, then after they are sauteed, you can throw other veggies in there. I don't know, whatever you have lying around. Basically, you can chop up a bunch of kale, you can throw some bok choy, some spinach in there. You can put, if you want to have potatoes with it, you can throw them in the pot and do a separate pot like that to boil your little pieces of potato. You can do anything. You can have cabbage in there. You can dump a bag of frozen veggies into the pot once it's boiling. But basically, you just fry up your onion and your celery and all your spices first, and then you dump it in the pot and you're good to go, and you got this delicious soup. So delicious. And be creative, just put whatever you want in there. So yeah, I agree with making soups. That's great. All right, so somebody puts the whole post here. What's the difference between soup and stew? So you can look at that. What is this one here? Made some delicious Vietnamese lemongrass vegan chicken. So see, when they say chicken, it's like not chicken, it's unchicken for vegans. Made from homemade seitan. So seitan is something that's made from wheat gluten. And wow, that looks a lot like meat, doesn't it? Yeah. That looks actually good. I would eat that. I would totally eat that. Yeah. What's this? The food looks tasty. Wait, is there something else? I want to see if I missed something. Oh, look at that. CTR should not be taught in schools. Critical race theory. Do you guys know what that is about? Well, let's see if the post says anything. Anyway, some people are posting some political things here sometimes. I find that really interesting. Okay, the food looks good, but your perspective is unsavory. Critical race theory is the truth and not taught in schools until college level. I'm not sure about that. I thought I saw some programs on American television where they were teaching it to kids already much, much younger. I could be wrong though, but anyway, it should be taught in an age-appropriate way long before then. Children are perceptive and understand the difference between right and wrong, and codifying discrimination into law is always wrong. Is wrong always. I doubt those complaining about critical race theory have the slightest idea what it entails. It's merely a dog whistle to bring out the racist vote. Interesting. All right, so there's all kinds of conversations. I don't want to get into what my opinion is about critical race theory right now. I mean, I'd like to just sort of stick to the food, but I just want to show you that if you do have strong opinions or political opinions, you can post them there, but remember the rule? You have to post some vegan food first. What else we got here? Just wanted a snack to hold me over. This is gluten-free rice pasta with vegan butter and garlic salt. Huh. Interesting. What are those shapes? Look like little cars or something. Or are they a gamer control? What is it? Anyway, the rice plant did in fact take a sacrifice for me to eat though. Okay. Anyway, noodles. You can have noodles when you're vegan. What else we got here? Oh, pizza, vegan pizza. Wood fried pizza. Made with love and plants. Not bad at all for $6.99. Can't you all just get along? So again, this is funny. I guess they have a lot of arguments in this group. And so here's somebody saying, you know, here's the vegan pizza. And by the way, guys, can you please get along? And I love this sticker. Check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, it's okay. Check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, it's okay. What's this? Mac and cheese. Well, I was wanting mac and cheese, says this person, Anne, as one of me side dishes. One of me side dishes. I don't know, I guess that's how they talk, maybe in England or something. Anyway, Thanksgiving for my Thanksgiving dinner. I was thinking, but I don't want to have to make my own vegan cheese for it. This morning I was browsing around on the internet and seen Aldi's had plant-based mac and cheese. So bingo! I'm going to go check that out. I hope our Aldi's has it. If not, has anyone else seen any plant-based boxes of mac and cheese in the store? Now, I admit, before I was vegan, I used to eat this stuff and make it for my kids even. Ugh, I can't believe I did that. It's not that nutritious, you know, but at least this one doesn't have dairy in it, which comes from the terrible cycle of violence. You know, in the dairy industry, they take the sperm from the males, from the cows, they force it into the female. I mean, all of this is rape and sexual assault. And then when the babies are born, if they're boys, they take them away and they slit their necks. They kill baby boy cows so that humans can steal the milk to make cheese. That's why I stopped eating cheese. Do you guys still eat cheese from cows? You know, there's a vegan alternative. Try it. You know, you'll end so much suffering. What else do we have here? Oh boy, that's vegan? That looks like not vegan. What is that? Black vegan Nashville hot chicken made with jackfruit and activated charcoal. Wow, isn't that cool? What is this? Is this another deep fryer? Look at that. That is jackfruit. Have you ever seen a jackfruit? It's like this huge thing. It looks like almost the size of a watermelon. It's sort of a light greeny yellow color, and you can cut it up and it has this meaty-like texture to it. And you can make things taste like meat. You can pull it apart and put it into sandwiches, all kinds of spices on there. Like, what is going on here? Okay, this person's cutting a lemon. What was that? Was that milk? Was that some sort of vegan milk? It's definitely vegan, whatever it is. Okay. How long is this video? What is going on? Okay. Bread and butter chips. Oh, and some pickles. Oh, pickle juice. Yeah, pickle juice is a good thing if you don't know how to flavor something. And some hot sauce. All right, so basically a whole bunch of spices and different things like a lemon and things like that to make it all taste good. Oh, and chickpea flour. What are they going to do? Oh, that's to bread it, I guess. Right. Cool. Pink salt. Okay. Right. Cayenne pepper. Okay, more hot sauce type stuff. Wow. Do you guys eat vegan meats often? Do you make your own? If you have done so, write it in the comments and let me know. And by the way, if you haven't liked and subscribed, go ahead and press the like button so that you can keep seeing more of these kind of videos. And also it just helps to keep the video in the algorithm. What do we got here? Garlic. Oh, yeah. So, you know what makes vegan food taste good? Or even meat tastes good. Meat on its own doesn't taste like much. What makes it taste good is all the vegan food that goes on it, all the different spices. So look how many different ingredients are in here. So it's the same thing for vegans. You get something that's relatively plain, like something like jackfruit, and you just decorate it. You just pack in all of the different flavors that they have here. And you look at that. She's dipping that in and then frying it up. Which is not that good for you to have fried foods, but you have to admit, that does look good, doesn't it? I mean, why pay for murder if you don't have to? You can simply go to this Facebook group, What Broke Vegans Eat, and learn all different cooking tips that are not expensive. Oh boy. Oh, I want to eat that so badly. Oh gosh, that looks so good. If Sniper Wolf is watching this, who always talks about how she likes to eat chicken, you guys know Sniper Wolf, she has 30 million followers. She should totally try these types of things. Imagine how great the world would be if people like Sniper Wolf and Mr. Beast and all of these people would just go and make vegan foods and encourage their audiences to make vegan foods. What was that? The sauce? That's all you put on that? That wasn't enough. Oh boy. Okay, anyways, let's keep going. Oh, activated charcoal is in this recipe. Fine powder. Isn't that cool? Black garlic. Look at that. All kinds of cool ingredients. It doesn't exactly look that appetizing, right? But you gotta be able to look past that, okay? Don't judge a recipe by the way it looks, or a meal even, because things can taste pretty good. Now, hopefully they're gonna spread this out more. Oh yeah. I like it when I go to a restaurant and things are spread right to the edges on pizza. Do you guys? Okay, see? Look at that. Cheese, vegan cheese. Pickles on top. Okay, why not, right? Pickles are so tasty. Actually, my mouth is watering right now. Oh, so they put the jackfruit chicken, the fake chicken on there. Doesn't that look just good though? I mean, I know it's different, but remember, these are people who don't have that much money and they're being creative. So that's really great. Hats off to them. Looks good to me. Way to go, Rashad. Way to go. Love it. Okay, that's cool. What else we got here? Oh, this is something called Just Egg. If you don't know what that is, Just Egg is a kind of thing that replaces egg. You put it in a pan and you make a scrambled egg, and you can use it in different recipes. I have tried it one time at a restaurant called Copper Branch. They put it in like a breakfast sandwich and it tasted the same as egg. It was fine. So yeah, these are all different tips that you can get. Here's another delicious looking thing. It's some sort of a curry. All right. So yeah, go ahead and check out this group if you want to. It's called What Broke Vegans Eat. Sign up for it. And by the way, yeah, if you buy beans like this in bulk that are dry, they are really great. You just soak them, follow the different recipes, and it's not expensive at all. You can buy lots and lots of high quality protein by getting, excuse me, lentils and beans like this. And you can make delicious things with basmati rice and all this kind of stuff. Oh, more jackfruit recipes. See that? That's what it looks like. What else? So many delicious spices. When you become vegan, you can start to be really curious and experiment with all kinds of different spices to make your food taste great. So that's it. You know, go ahead, join That Vegan Teacher's site here on YouTube. Press the notification bell when you subscribe, but also go and check out this group. All right? Thanks a lot for being here. And I'll see you guys all in the next video. Oh my God, look at this. Doesn't this look good too? What is this? $10 vegan surf and turf, oyster mushroom cluster steak, trumpet mushrooms, scallops, served over garlic and herb cream sauce. I could eat that. I could. What are they? Doesn't that look just so good though? Mushroom scallops. They look like scallops. Wow. Get creative, guys. All right. So I'm really gonna let you go now. You guys can go and check this out yourselves later. But I think I'm gonna stay on them. Yummy. All right. So again, yeah, subscribe. Do you see the notification bell down there? Make sure you press that so you can be here with me during premieres. Subscribe, press the notification bell. Help me get these animals out of hell. These poor animals that are suffering so much on factory farms. We need a vegan world. And with your help, we can get there. Coming up on screen are going to be a bunch of other videos. Go ahead and click on those. Be curious. Look around that Vegan Teacher site. There's all kinds of stuff in the archives. I have over 1,000 videos. There's me singing, I'm playing the guitar. I've had all kinds of weird hairstyles over time. And yeah, just have a look. Check stuff out. Thank you so much, guys, for being here. Love you. Bye.